Good morning. I'm working on my finances and I'd like to take you along to show you how much we earn in March and how much we spent, and we'll walk through our expense to income ratio for the month of March. So let's get started. We are going to use our spreadsheet to track our expenses. So I'm going to show you the spreadsheet here. Or maybe I can just, let me see if I can lower the camera down a little bit here. So let's move up a little bit. And as you can see, that's our March. And I think this income here needs to be adjusted. That's why we estimated. The way the spreadsheet works, the same column will serve as estimate column, and then when you get actuals, you'll just change it. So this income was what we estimated, 3,277.23, and it ended up being 3,292.08. So that went up a little bit, and our expenses some of them change, some of them stay the same, but you can see that the income is 4,927.81. Let me adjust this a little bit. So we have all our expenses here, and our fixed expenses is $22,180.44. We have our variable expenses, that is, let me scroll it up for you to see it. And we have our variable expenses, that is 1,720.51. And we invested in our business 1,214.85. We have a balance here of 187.99, which is a little bit different from what we budget or what we recorded on our budget and monthly expense tracker. So I must have calculated something wrong on that sheet, since I use a calculator there. But let's go down and check our irregular expense area here. For March, we have expenses that we incurred on the home and maintenance section, and that's the main area. And as you can see up, we have purchases on the food. We budget $300 but took $210 out, but end up spending $400 17.56 for the simple reason that we spend 158cc on credit card to stock up on food, and my husband purchased sweet and sour online. So he purchased many, like 2 gallons worth of sweet and sour, since he purchased online and paid the shipping. So in fact, I need to change this number. That's the extra we estimated to pay toward his credit cards, and he ended up decreasing that amount by $48.96 that he used to purchase the sweet and sour. So he ended up paying $383.05 extra toward his credit cards, after paying in addition to $208 that he paid as a minimum due. So now we have the same 139 negative number here that we found on our budget and monthly expense tracker. So our budget on that sheet is correct, and this one just needed an update of how much my husband paid extra toward his credit cards. So if we scroll it down a little bit, you will see that so our account is $139 over how much we made. That means that we took money out of the saving account to pay for our irregular expenses, a part of it, of our irregular expenses here, which we save for. So now let's take a look at our expense to income ratio for the month of March. And that's this column here. And as you can see, we spent $2,323.23 on our monthly living expense, including our irregular expenses of $142.79 and our minimum debts. So our minimum debts and regular expenses are our fixed incomes here, which is $2,180 and $142. Let me see here, and $142. So that total to $2,323.23. And that's 47.15% of our income. So this month we spend 47.15% of our income on our living expenses, minimum debt payment as well. And our monthly minimum debt payment is $1,139.55 this month, and that's 23.12% of our income. Our monthly extra debt payments was $1,528.73, and that's 31.2% of our income. And for the amount we invested in our business, $1,214.85, that's 24.65% of our income. So that's how we allocated our earnings, our income during the month of March. So now we are going to enter our estimate for April as well, and we are thinking about just paying the minimum mortgage and minimum credit card for the month of April, hoping that things will get better. But yeah, because of the crisis we are facing and many people losing their job, it's better we pay the minimum to our debts so that we have enough of our income put in the saving. Thank you for watching. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting LLC YouTube channel and owners of Nina Soap. And our website is ninasoap.com. If you wanted to use our spreadsheet to track your expenses, we have it on our website under free downloads. I have not included color, and you'll be able to adjust the formulas, because if a month is a special month for you, you might have to just override a formula, just like the way I change the formula here to change how much my husband pay extra toward his credit cards. Thank you.